Are you going? What's up guys, hey, Anthony here at inGear, and today we're going to unbox another Ariel rider bike. It's gonna be awesome. We got it in blue and it's the Rideal bike. So this is the first one we've gotten like this, and so it'll be interesting to see how it compares to the rest of their bikes, but also how it handles. It's a much smaller, thinner, lighter bike, and it's more mountain bike style, so this will be a fun one to test, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. That was cool. You're so sweet. I love you. So we just unboxed this. I'm sitting here looking for a kickstand and there wasn't one. And so I gotta hold the bike, but honestly, the bike is really great. It's a lot lighter than I thought it was gonna be. I'm really excited to get on it. Aesthetically, the blue is really pretty. If this bike was for me, I would have purchased it in black. I love the brown. The brown is really fun. I wish my D-Class had these brown features. The headlight's fun. Comes with a little, it's got this little click bell. So I like that. That's a fun feature. I'm excited to see how the gears shift. It came with a different charger, and that's really it out of the box. All right, so that's it for us today with this. We're gonna go get this on the road, but if you're looking to purchase one of these bikes, you can use promo code inGear. That certainly helps us continue to create more videos like this. So we are now going to go do a speed test and get this thing out on the road to see how it does.